All right, here's the cursive H, capital H. We're starting first with a loop at the top and straight down. Then you're going to move over just a little bit, slanting again down, making a line. Then you're going to loop it to connect and around. Little loop and down, leaving a space for your next line. Then tracing part of the way up, looping and going over. Loop, down, down, up, loop over. Little loop, down, down, loop and across. Little loop, down, down, loop across. Okay. Lowercase h, you're going to start at the bottom and go up with that loop, like some of the other letters we've done before, stopping at the bottom, then doing that bump with a little tail. Up and loop, up and over. Up with a 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 loop, up and over. Tracing the word hat. Not picking up my pen. H.